The excitement surrounding the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is growing rapidly, and this time, it feels far more serious than just another internet rumor. Over the past few weeks, we've seen retail packaging leaks, warehouse inventory listings, and even regulatory filings come to light. And when multiple sources start lining up like this, it usually signals one thing: the product is real, and launch day isn't far away. Industry insiders are pointing toward an early 2026 release window, most likely between February and March. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, the steady flow of credible information suggests we're entering the final phase before announcement. From what we're hearing, this isn't about completely reinventing the pocket camera. It's about refining it, enhancing it, and taking an already beloved formula to the next level. Even more interesting, leaks suggest there may be two models in development. And with major competitors preparing bold responses of their own, 2026 is shaping up to be a huge year for pocket gimbal cameras. Let's dive in. Based on current leaks, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to continue using a 1-inch class sensor, a key feature creators care about. A larger sensor typically means better dynamic range, stronger low-light performance, and improved overall image quality. If reports are accurate, we can expect detailed 4K recording at high frame rates, with possible higher resolution modes still unconfirmed. However, the biggest upgrades may focus on usability rather than pure specs. Rumors suggest a brighter built-in display for easier outdoor shooting, along with even more refined stabilization. DJI already leads in smooth gimbal performance, so further improvements could mean steadier walking shots and better motion control during fast action. There are also indications of redesigned controls and improved ergonomics, making one-handed operation more intuitive. For vloggers and travelers, small refinements like these can make a big difference in real-world use. Low-light shooting is another area where enhancements are expected. Cleaner nighttime footage and smarter image processing could turn the Pocket 4 into an even stronger all-around storytelling tool. More exciting is the possibility of a higher-end version, potentially called the Pocket 4 Pro. Regulatory hints suggest a dual camera system, possibly combining a wide lens with a secondary focal length, maybe even telephoto style. If true, that would dramatically increase framing flexibility without requiring users to physically move closer to subjects. For such a compact device, that would be a serious upgrade. This dual model approach makes sense: a standard version for everyday creators and a pro version for those who want more creative control. But DJI isn't alone. Insta360 has confirmed a new handheld gimbal camera called Luna, reportedly featuring a dual camera setup and possibly modular design. That could bring a whole new level of flexibility to the market. At the same time, Vivo is developing its own dedicated vlog camera with lightweight gimbal tech and AI-based stabilization. Early details suggest 4K at 60 frames per second support and a compact body under 200 grams. With multiple brands stepping in aggressively, the competition is heating up fast. Now the big question: should you still buy the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, or wait? Honestly, if you have content to create right now, the Pocket 3 remains a powerful and reliable choice. Its stabilization and image quality are still impressive, and pricing may become even more attractive over time. Waiting for the Pocket 4 could bring refinements, but waiting too long can mean missing creative opportunities today. So here's where everything stands. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 appears very real, and all signs point toward an early 2026 launch. Rather than a risky reinvention, it looks like a thoughtful refinement of a winning formula. A possible Pro variant with dual cameras could push creative flexibility even further. Meanwhile, strong competition from Insta360 and Vivo is setting up one of the most competitive years we've ever seen in the pocket camera space. If you're considering the Pocket 3, don't let future upgrades hold back today's creativity. And if you're willing to wait, the Pocket 4 might deliver the polished evolution many creators have been hoping for. This is Technify, and we'll keep you updated on every major leak, launch, and breakthrough in the world of camera and drone tech. Stay tuned.